Hi, welcome to MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin. In this video, I would like to explain to you how to use MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin. MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin is a payroll software tailored for Indian businesses. Payroll is a key part of any business, no wonder it's time consuming with all tax calculations and deductions. Introducing MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin, a smart payroll software designed to automate your payroll activities. MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin has all the things you need to run your payroll smoothly. It takes less time to set up and even lesser time to add a new employee to your payroll. With MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin, you can easily manage your employees' attendance and salary. Employees are the most important and significant resource of an organization. Managing them properly can bring a massive difference. If they are managed correctly, then it can boost the productivity of the company or the organization. Of course, attendance is one of the most crucial factors of employee management. Substandard attendance and salary can lead to major consequences like business productivity and profit loss. It's very important to keep a track of an employee's working hours and ensure accurate and timely payment while keeping the labor laws and regulations in mind. Don't worry, here we will give you one solution for you to manage your employees' attendance and salary easily. With PayrollAdmin, you can easily manage employee attendance and salaries. We will provide separate attendance and salary modules in our software. In the software, we provide a biometric attendance option. It is easy to use. In the first step, you will collect the fingerprints of all employees using our biometric device. Employees need to enter their daily in and out punches into our device, which automatically recognizes their attendance. Our software calculates monthly attendance using daily punches, and employee paydays are calculated automatically. As per your requirement, you can make changes to the salary configuration. After the salary configuration, you will be able to generate salary slips for all employees with just a few clicks. In the attendance reports, you can find all employees' attendance details. You can generate reports like employee salary slips, PF, PT, ESIC, and more in the salary reports. We will now look at MarvelSoft PayrollAdmin software. I will show you a demo of our software. Let's start with salary reports. Salary slip. This menu allows you to view and save individual salary slips for a particular month. Here we can see all employee salary slips. This is the employee's salary slip. Total salary report. This menu allows you to view total salary report. Here we can see the total salary month-wise report. This is the total salary report. Salary statement. This menu allows you to view salary statement. Here we can see the salary statement month-wise report. This is the salary statement report. PF ESIC statement. In this menu, we can see the information related to PF and ESIC contributions done by the employee and employer. Here we can see the PF ESIC statement month-wise report. This is the PF ESIC statement report. PF statement. In this menu, we can see the information related to PF contributions done by the employee. Here we can see the PF statement month-wise report. This is the PF statement report. PT statement. In this menu, we can see the information related to point deduction for the employee. Here we can see the PT statement month-wise report. This is the PT statement report. ESIC statement. In this menu, we can see the information related to ESIC deduction for the employee. Here we can see the ESIC statement month-wise report. This is the ESIC statement report. ESIC office report. In this menu, we can see the information related to the ESIC office report deduction for the employee. Here we can see the ESIC office report statement month-wise report. This is the ESIC office report statement report. The next step is to understand how salary reports are generated. Now we start learning about the salary menu. Go to the salary menu. Click on Payday. Select Month, and click on Calculate. Employee paydays calculated successfully. Paydays for the employee for the month are shown here. Now we are going to distribute salaries to the employees. Click on the salary. Select category, payment type, and month. The total working days are automatically calculated once you select the month. Select payment date. Click on the filter. A total of present days is calculated from paydays. Now click on the pay salary. A salary report is generated for each employee after the payment has been successful. How salaries are distributed to employees and how they are configured. Master salary configuration. Go to Masters and click on Salary Configuration. Here we can configure salary category wise. I will show you one example. Regular category. First, we understand how to set percentages. Under the salary rules, we can set the percentages for HRA, PF, ESIC, PT, and more. In the Set Salary table, you can only see these checked menus in the Employee Salary table. Default Salary Configuration. Go to Options, click on the Settings, and select Default Settings. Here we can configure the salary for all employees. First, we understand how to set percentages. Under the salary rules, we can set the percentages for HRA, PF, ESIC, PT, and more. In the Set Salary table, you can only see these checked menus in the Employee Salary table. The next step is to understand how the pay days are calculated. The pay days are calculated using employees' monthly attendance. Now we start learning about the Manual Attendance menu. Go to App Manager and click on the Manual Attendance menu. Click on the Add button. Select Category, select the date, and company start time. I select the date and the company start time as 9 o'clock. Select the date, and company end time. I select the date and the company start time as 18 o'clock. Select in or out as an in. Check the Apply to All, then click on the filter. The checkbox for Apply to All employees is selected once the checkbox is checked. Click on the Add button. All the employees' attendance was added successfully. The same procedure is for out. We can also add 1 month of employee attendance to this menu. Is it possible to import employees' attendance data from the previous month into the software? Yes, you can. In the device commands, we provide an attendance import option. Go to Device Commands and click on the Import Attendance Record. In this menu, we can import the attendance details of the employees. Click on the Import from CSV button. The user can import employees' attendance here. The import file should in CSV format only, and should be contained mentioned headers. I will show you the import format CSV file. This is the CSV file and it contains the headers. Then, click on the Add button, select the CSV file, click on Done, and click on the Upload button. It uploads records, and then click on Done. The employee attendance is imported successfully. How can we find all the information about employees and their reports? In the Employee Master, you will find the details about your employees. Go to App Manager and click on the Employee Master. Select a category and click on the Find button. Here we can see the category-wise employee details. We can also take Excel reports by clicking on the Export button. This is the Employee Details Excel sheet. It contains all employee details. Employee ID, employee name, and all details about the employee. What is the process for adding employees to the software? We have 2 methods to add employees to the software. Go to App Manager and click on the Employee Master. We provide an import option to add employees. Also, you can add a manual by clicking on Add button. I will show one example of how to add employees. Now we are going to add employee details. In the Employee Master, click on the Add button. Here we enter employee details. Enter all mandatory details. Enter employee ID. Enter first name. Select job type. Select designation. Select department. Select sex. Enter city. Date of joining. Then click on Add button. The employee added successfully. Here you can see the added employee detail, where we add departments, designations, job types, attendance settings, and more. Now we can start with Master module. Masters. Go to Master module. In the Masters menu, initial configurations such as all the departments, designations, job types, attendance settings, and more in the company or branch can be added so that these values can be assigned to the employees later. Department. The Department menu allows the user to add any departments within the company or branch. Job type. In this menu, add the job types of the employees. Designation. In this menu, add all the designation that is used in the company or branch. Category. Declaration of employee category is required for the attendance calculations. This menu will allow users to group the employees on certain rules. Subcategory. In case the employees have to be further categorized or grouped based on certain rules, then the employee subcategory can be used. Is it possible to track the attendance of all employees in the attendance reports? In the software, we provide a module for attendance reports. Attendance reports. Employee daily attendance. The user can see the employee's daily attendance report in this menu. You have the option to download PDF and Excel by clicking on related buttons. Here is the PDF report. We can see details about employees in time and out time and the status reports. Total present and absent report. The user can see the employee's total present absent report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' present and absent reports here. Absent report. The user can see the employee's absent report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' absent options here. Punch record. The user can see the employee's punch record report in this menu. You can also have the option to download PDF and Excel by clicking on related buttons. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' punch record options here. Employee daily attendance summary report. The user can see the employee's daily attendance summary report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' total duration, present days, absent days, leaves, holidays, and weekly offs. Monthly performance form. The user can see the employee's monthly performance form report in this menu. You can also have the option to download PDF, Excel, and ODT by clicking on related buttons. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' total duration, present days, absent days, leaves, holidays, and weekly offs. Employee monthly summary. The user can see the employee's monthly summary report in this menu. You can also have the option to download PDF, Excel, and ODT by clicking on related buttons. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' leave. Monthly muster form. The user can see the employee's monthly summary report in this menu. You can also have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' present days, week off, and holidays. Employee arrival departure report. The user can see the employee's arrival departure report in this menu. You can also have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' late arrival report. Muster roll. The user can see the employee's muster roll report in this menu. You can also have the option to download PDF, Excel, and ODT by clicking on related buttons. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' weekly attendance reports. Monthly muster. The user can see the employee's muster roll report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' shifts, in and out times, and late and early punches. Overtime checklist. The user can see the employee's muster roll report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' shifts, in and out times. Late, early report. The user can see the employee's late, early report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees in time, late time, and out time. Odd punch report. The user can see the employee's odd punch report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' odd punches. Time history of employee. The user can see the employee's time history report in this menu. You have the option to download Excel by clicking on the Export button. Here is the Excel report. We can see details about employees' punch records. How is attendance calculated? In order to calculate attendance, we need to set the attendance settings. First, we go through the employees category. Declaration of employee category is required for the attendance calculations. This menu will allow users to group the employees on certain rules. Enable OT checked. Employees consider for the OT. Consider weekly offs in paydays. Grace time for late coming and early going. Consider early coming and late going punch. Here we can set the minimum OT and maximum OT timings. We also have the shift settings. With the shift settings here we can create all the shifts such as general shift, early shift, night shift, and so on. Attendance settings. Go to Masters and click on the attendance settings. Attendance settings can be configured here, and reports will be generated based on them. These are the options available in the attendance setting. Dynamic shift is checked. It has compared the login and logout times of the employees. This applies to created shifts in shift settings. Fixed shift is checked. It applies to companies with only one shift. And then enter company timings here. Employees' full day and half day working hours can be determined here. Here you can set the time for minimum difference between two punches. Here you can add employee code ranges. Here we define the weekly offs. If you need more information, please contact with us. Thank you for watching.